Hello guys, today we are going to be playing or finishing our solar system when we made it in the last video. So I can remember that our star, we got the star Pollux from over here. Yeah, it hasn't grown or anything. Everything looks perfect. Let's check our habitable planet. Doesn't look that habitable. Okay, let's slow down time. Oh, you can see like the little shadow of the moon. Yeah, I remember. Wait, why are there fragments? I think a collision happened. That's why it doesn't look that habitable. So, yeah. So, like I said in the last video, we will be doing the gas giants, moons, and the dwarf planets. I also thought, since this is the asteroid belt, should I add some asteroids? So let's just add some little asteroids. That looks better. I know we have asteroids over here, but that's the asteroid belt, so we can do that. So now, I also thought we might have some rings. So here's the first gas giant. So let's give it some moons. I'm gonna say, let's do random moons. So let's put a moon over here, and then a moon following, like 4 moons over here, and then one big in the back, and then one giant moon over here. I'm kind of copying Saturn's way. I don't know if that's like the biggest moon, but we can say it is. And then we can have like, 2 moons who are like, they have nearly the same orbit, and we can add one here, and let's put one like this. I like it. I think we should leave it there. Let's just, we can look at it later, so like we can see if the moons collide. This one is not gonna have any moons, but we can give it a rings. Since we don't have like different rings, I want to say an ordered ring, whatever this is. Oh, I like this. Let's make it more visible. Okay, this looks good. I might add a bit of a realistic, and then you can see this looks good. I like these. Riovi has earned some rings. Okay, now we're going to go to Oriman. Okay, maybe I have an idea. So like, we just do this and this. 3 moons over here, and then 5 small moons like over here. I hope they don't collide. And then we can do like 3 big moons in the back, and then like 2 in the very back. That is a lot of moons. Wait a minute. This one's habitable and it's got a little moon. Let's make it a bit smaller. because I want it to look cool. So like it doesn't orbit anything else. Yeah, it's still gonna orbit this guy. Actually, let's make it bigger because like it's in the back. Yeah, it's in the back. Are they still orbiting each other? Oh my gosh. I actually like that this one's habitable because it's really, really far away from the sun, and I don't understand how it's habitable. Now, let's go to this one. I'm thinking that we give it like a moon over here, tilted, and then we're gonna make it like, oh, it's habitable. Gonna make it a bit big, like a very big one, and then we're gonna give this, and then there's gonna be like tiny little moons that like two tiny moons. Oh, I don't like that. Oh no. We lost one of our moons, but that's okay. Let's just put one in the far corner. And that's this one. Okay, let's just delete this one because it's gonna go out of this whole system. Uh-oh. No. Where is it? Oh no, wait. Yes, it's coming back. Let's just delete this one because it's going everywhere. We can just give this like, oh, it's literal orbiting this one. I think this is too big. Make it smaller. Yeah, that's better. You can't make it binary. Now we just, let's add some little asteroids. That'll be fun. Oopsie. Uh-oh. That's too far. Let's just delete that. Maybe let's just leave it with like a lot of moons, like some asteroids. And then we can add more moons. I actually like this. Let's say I'm gonna give it lots of moons, so like we can say like this is kind of like a Saturn, like Saturn with the most moons, but this is like a version of Saturn with no rings. That is a lot of moons. Okay. Oh, there's some fragments, so I think there's been a bit of colliding, but I don't see any colliding. I think there might be another gas giant. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute, this is actually good. Because this could be like a different gas giant, Jupiter, Saturn. This could be like a little planet 9. I like it. I actually like it. Okay. This one is a special one. It's gonna have rings and moons like Saturn. No one else in this solar system will have rings and moons all together. So let's just, and this one has like this one gonna be like with the most rings. Okay, so rings. I'm gonna give it like Uranus's, so you can see Uranus's rings over here. Let me make it a bit more visible. Now it's really visible. Let's are Jupiter's and realistic, which basically covers all of Uranus's rings. And lastly, yeah, I think that might be it. So this is the one with the most rings in the solar system, or the biggest rings. So like, okay, I'm just gonna add some moons. I always tell in Universe Sandbox, like, if you put a moon in the rings will go everywhere. So I'm gonna put it like a little far. I'll say that's it. And 2 in the very back. Okay, looks good. Okay, is any of the orbits going in the rings? Good, they're not. Oh yes, this one doesn't go out. Wait a minute. Which? So like, let's just delete this one because this asteroid has went out the asteroid belt, I think. Okay, this planet line, I just like it. I just love this planet line. It's so good. It looks super cool. Let's just go to this Pluto-looking orbit gas giant. I don't think that's words. So it looks so small because like compare it to like Saturn. It's literal like it's like a tiny bit bigger than Uranus. That's real. I think it's like the smallest of all of them. Well, let's just go. I'm just gonna give it just 2 little moons and 1 tilted in the back and 1 here. Just normal. I want this planet to look a bit normal. Let's go to the habitable zone and check if one of the planets are habitable. Like we said before, this one, it kind of looks habitable, but let's just check the other ones if they're habitable. Some of the asteroids are in, but I don't think the asteroids can get habitable, so we'll just leave it with them. Let's do this one. Tunks. Okay. Yeah. I don't really see anything. No habitals. Let's check Rio Panta. Yeah, you can see over here that it doesn't really look that much habitable. Okay. It looks the same as in the Tunks. And lastly, this. Oh my god. What if it's habitable? If it's habitable, I can't go. I don't think that's habitable. It's a giant ice ball, but it's like right next to the sun. So why does it look like a giant ice ball? And one more thing that I'm forgetting. Like I said, that we are adding dwarf planets. We can. So, how will I get dwarf planets? Is there a way you can get dwarf planets? Because you can only get like asteroids and rock particles in dust clouds. Should we just use the normal ones? I like Pluto. But we're gonna add Ceres, Pallas, and Vesta in as outside. Pallas and Vesta aren't really dwarf planets, but it's fine. I'd say Ceres could be like this. Pallas, Vesta, Senna's like... I can't really make it look like that Planet 9 stuff. Well, it doesn't really look like Planet 9 anymore. Wait, actually, it actually still is. I don't know how to make it look like that orbit, but let's just try. Well, I'm making my own so I can do whatever I want. And okay, Aries is going to be like here, and Marke here. Let's add these little asteroids. I like them. Let's say this one's like a close one, and this is like outer, really outer, but this one's like really Charlico. I also want to add something to Charlico. I want to add like, doesn't it have like little rings or something? Let's add like some little rings to it. I want the rings. Charlico inner and Charlico outer. Where's the outer? Outer. I don't see any outer. Yeah, I don't think. Do they actually have an outer? I don't see any outer. Yeah, the outer's not working. Wait, are we actually just... Yeah, we're on outer. That's fine. Let's just center on Pollux and go back to the minor stuff. 1p Haley, put like in the back. Tutor. No, we've already done Ceres. Apopus. Oh, no, planet. The Planet 9's going outer. The Planet 9's going crazy. Okay, it's going back. Scott Marley. Who makes these names? And lastly, let's just make it far away. So, asteroids, a bit of asteroids and dwarf planets. The solar system is very crazy. Wait. And one more thing I want to do is is this planetary system the same size as the real? Nope. I guess ours is bigger because we have Pollux, and if you try and check, it doesn't really give you like the other dwarf planets. So that's it. So we finished our solar system. We might do more stuff in the next video. So have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.